Welcome to this walkthrough of the Sunrise K-Series Ironworker, covering models 50K, 66K, 66KB, and 66KBN. Before we dive into the overview, let's get the legal stuff out of the way. Warning: it is the owner and operator's responsibility to always read all warning labels and the complete manual prior to operation. Failure to properly follow all safety procedures may result in serious injury. And always lock out the machine prior to service. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's dive into this overview of the K-Series Vertical Ironworker. The K-Series is a line of single and dual-cylinder ironworkers by Sunrise that feature all vertical movement. First, let's just take a look at some of these great features. These machines feature an integrated punch station, an integrated round and square bar and angle shear station, and an integrated notcher station here. The machine also features a magnetic LED work light. All right, let's take a closer look at some of the features of the punch station. Use a spanner wrench to rotate the nut 1/2 turn and loosen by hand to remove punch and sleeve. Be sure to use the proper punch sleeve based on punch size. Let's quickly cover die removal. Once again, be sure to use the proper die bushing based on die size. Warning: always ensure proper punch and die alignment in jog mode. Let's take a closer look at how the Sunrise quick change tooling works. Just a reminder, never over-tighten tooling. Hand tighten, and then give the spanner one last push. Don't overdo it. Your tooling is already firmly locked in place. Moving along, let's check out the punch stripper. The punch stripper has a clear sight window, and it's swing away, so you can pivot it out of the way to access the quick change tooling. Make sure to use the proper insert based on punch diameter. The stripper is spring-loaded. Always confirm stripper is closed properly. Here, you can see the left and right stripper height adjustment screws with set pins. Just remember, proper stripper clearance is 1/4 inch above your material. Make sure to always tighten the set screw prior to operation. And always ensure stripper is parallel to the table. All right, let's learn more about the punching operation of this machine. Here, you can see the gauge table alignment bars. Make sure to always close the stripper prior to operation. You can easily remove the front of gauge table for angle leg down punching. And offset dies can be used for fillet punching. Angle and channel leg up strippers are available for this machine. Let's take a look at how gauge table positioning works on this machine. Built-in rulers aid in proper positioning. Moving right along, let's check out the features of the shear station on the K-Series. This machine offers options for integrated angle, round, square, and plate, with structural and special blades available. On this machine, the integrated plate shear features multi-sided blades. The Sunrise 50K uses a manual hold-down for all shearing stations. Rotate the knurled handle until you achieve contact with the material, then back off to allow the material to easily move through the machine. Let's take a look at the shear station hydraulic hold-down, standard on the 66K, 66KB, and 66KBN models only. Warning: never place your hand under the awareness barrier. This may result in serious injury. Here we can see the guide bars for proper plate alignment. Here's the hydraulic hold-down shut-off ball valve. Be sure to turn the hold-down off when not in use. Also, always hold material parallel while shearing. And moving right along, let's take a look at the K-Series notching station. Another one of those warnings, but please heed this one. The notcher is the most dangerous station on the ironworker. Care should always be taken when using this station. Use of hold downs is vital to safety and proper operation. Always use at least 2 sides of the blade. Let's take a look at how easy angle notching is on this machine. And once again for safety, always close the notcher cover when not in use. And here you can simply turn the key back to punch mode when all guards are closed. The Sunrise 66KB features an integrated 12-inch press brake attachment. When you're ready to use that station, switch to the press brake mode, raise the cover, and use the foot pedal below that station. You can properly set the correct angle of the bend you need by adjusting the stroke. Just remember to change back the stroke and mode switch when you're ready to punch again. The 66KBN adds a 4-inch capacity integrated press brake attachment. To use this station, turn the mode selector switch to press brake mode and raise the cover you need to access either the notcher or the press brake. Be sure to adjust the stroke properly to get the correct bend you need, and always close the covers, reset the stroke, and turn the mode switch back to punching when you're done. Alright, now let's take a look at how the foot pedal operation works. As you can see, the foot pedal features a safety foot switch. And just remember, this is for illustration only. Hands should never be used on the foot switch. Always wear steel-toed shoes and keep your foot pedal clear of material. The integrated jog mode allows the machine to pause during operation. Simply step on the foot pedal to start the stroke, then release slightly to pause, or remove to return to the top. Alright, now let's check out the electric back gauge setup. Make sure to adjust length gauge to the proper position using the integrated ruler. Ensure proper alignment of material with proximity sensor, and to allow material to fall away from the machine. Just set the knurled handle to the desired position using the integrated ruler and take a calibrating cut by using auto mode. After taking calibrating cut, rotate knurled adjustment to actual piece length, then slide entire length gauge to the desired length and secure. rotate knurled adjustment to actual piece length. Now loosen and slide entire unit to desired position. Ensure alignment with material is correct. Now let's check out the electrical cabinet. Remember, best practice is to always lock out or tag out prior to service. Here we can see the main power switch. And next to it is the normal jog low pressure tool alignment selector switch. Next is the pump on button. And lastly, the pump off button. Below is the auto, length gauge, normal, and notcher selector switch. Remove key to prevent notcher use. And here, the ever-important emergency stop button. Please remember to only use this button in an actual emergency and never to turn the machine off. Also, when you use this button, the entire machine stops where it is, even halfway through a stroke. To reset, rotate the switch until it pops out, and then press the pump on button. Alright, now that we've covered the different features of the K-Series, let's discuss Sunrise K-Series maintenance. Be sure to use the included grease gun with standard machine grease for proper lubrication every 40 working hours. Be sure to grease all grease fittings around the entire machine. Also, ensure blades are clean and have proper clearance. Machine hydraulic oil should be changed every 600 to 1200 working hours using ISO 46 oil. And all guards, warning labels, and posted placards should remain in place at all times. Always check that there are no scraps inside the machine that may cause injury or faulty operation of the machine. Be sure to lock out the machine prior to opening any covers or performing any maintenance on the machine. Now let's take a look at limit switch operation. The stroke of the machine is fully adjustable. Simply release the ratchet-style handle and move to the correct position. Be sure to only move the actuator that is not under load. Always confirm proper stroke and jog mode to ensure correct punch and die alignment prior to commencing operation. Failure may result in damage or injury. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Sunrise K-Series toolbox. Included items: adjustable wrench, grease gun, flat Phillips head screwdriver, spanner wrench, fuses, machine keys, Allen wrench set, stripper inserts, punch sleeves, die bushing, punch key, notcher key. Don't forget, there are many optional features and accessories that are available to complement your ironworker. Be sure to ask for more details or view our website. Thank you for your business, and for more information, you can visit us online 24/7 at www.trilogymachinery.com. If you need any help, we're always available. You can call us toll-free at 888-988-7655 or email us at service@trilogymachinery.com anytime.